Shop boutique www.blinkboutiques.ca.
What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kennedi Renee. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little mini room transformation. So I have some fairy lights and some vines to go on my wall. It look like this. I got everything from Dora Vibes, so go check them out. It come like this. It really stinks when you first get it, so it does. It stinks. Oh, it stinks. Okay. That really stinks. And I also got some fairy lights, come like this. I got 2 packs of these, and I got the remote. Mine's change colors. So yeah, I already started putting some stuff up in my bathroom. I'm gonna put some wall vines in my bathroom, so I already started doing that over here. So this is how it looks right now. It's so cute. I did this off camera, but since I'm recording now, I'm gonna show y'all. And I'm using command strips to hold it. Got this at Safeway. I'm pretty sure they have that everywhere. It's all the way up there. And it goes all the way down to the floor. It's pretty long. So this is how it looks. It makes the room look so cute, you know? So we're just gonna get straight into this video. So you just tear it. It's sticky. I put 3 vines on 1 strip because it holds all of it. I'm Reagan, her sister. Let me show y'all how it's turning out. It looks really, really cute. She has her picture here. It's gonna be going right here and over there and stuff. So are you excited? Are you excited? Nope. Don't sound excited. I am excited. You just tangle it really fast. But it's kind of adorable. It's kind of breaking. Okay, so I'm going to use this command strip. Are my toes in it? Are my toes in it? I'll put it under it. This is how it looks in the mirror, y'all. It looks so cute. I'm back where we're done. Okay, hold on. Why is it so zoomed in? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Girl. No, it really was. Stay for me. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna see you. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna see when she has all of it up. Okay, we see you on the next clip. Bye. Hey y'all, so we're back. Y'all can see it is done. The finished product and all her leaves are up. Oh, she still actually
not leaves, vines.
Vines. She has two
Couple more left.
Yeah, but let me show y'all how it looks.
It's so cute.
Yeah. So you're gonna just like play music right here. Not that music.
No.
Walk in.
Yeah, walk in. And this is how it looks. So cute. Well, it goes all the way down. I'm trying to get a better, what's it called? Go help. Like, can you see? Like, how cute that is? Like, where are you? This is how it looks from far away. It's giving like an earthy vibe in here.
It's giving what it was supposed to gain.
An earthy
Very
vibe.
much.
I got this from Home Goods.
Home Goods, yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna see y'all when we in the room. So it's a couple of days later, and it's like 12 fucking a.m. now. And I just took out this hairstyle I did. Y'all see the hairstyle in my next video. But right now, I'm about to put my lights on my wall. Right here. I had to get some, what's it called?
Hooks.
I had to get hooks to finish my room decor. So that's what we're doing. I already put the hooks up just so I have to record a lot. You can't really see it. Oh, it's right there, yeah. These are?
They had to sit for an hour, so that's why we're up doing it at 12 a.m.
Yeah, it's really blurry. You can't see it. It's not focusing. She's gonna be helping me.
Hi, Reagan.
Yeah, so. You need enough weed water. So, let's see what I do.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? I've been moving, trying to start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna dive in and miss me. Driving solo, I'm just swimming through my hands. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am.
So yeah, now we're going to light it up. That was on my. This is the before. This is the before. Oh my god, I'm so scared. You want to do it?
Yeah, you stay in front of the camera to get your reaction.
Girl, she just want to do it so bad. Oh. Wait, you put it in the wall. Perfect. It's so cute.
What color?
Blue. I like that color. You can do like, yeah, you can do different type of modes on it. It's so cute. Show them the remote.
This is the remote, you guys. You can do your own different colors. Mine different. You can even put on like a 6-hour timer and stuff. Like if you fall asleep, it stays on for 6 hours in different colors. It's so cool. So yeah. We're gonna show you how it looks without the ring light on. It's a vibe. Yeah, this is galaxy. Do they have a purple?
That is purple. Can you see? But y'all, this is, oh my gosh. This one? You do this one?
I don't know. I think my outfit is pretty gorge. Cal, did you mean gorgelicious or gorge-tastic? No.
Barbie.
I meant gorge. Are you learning a foreign language?
Bruh.
It's short for gorgeous.
Hey, say it again. Hey, what we is? For lifer.
I'm an alien. Here's a taser. Yeah, I'm shield. Yeah, whole lot of shield.
Hey y'all, I'm back. It's the next day and I'm actually done decorating my room. But I just want to do one more thing before this video is over. I also got this moon watercolor from BlinkBoutiques too. So I want to hang this up. I think I want to do it right here. Okay, so I think I want to put this right here. Might be a part 2 to this video later on, but it's just like probably part 1 because I'm not all the way done furnishing, not furnishing, but decorating my room. So yeah. Oh, that's cute. They have a star one too like that. I should have gotten it. Okay, y'all. So this is how my room came out. Let me stand back a little. So this is how it looks. The moon, the lights, and then the vines I put in my bathroom. So cute. So yeah, that's all I did. I already had this in my room, the little vanity light I put on my dresser, and a rug. I got this from Home Goods, I think. Yeah. This is the remote for it. So, yeah. Like I said, I might be doing a little part 2 later on. Not like soon, but maybe later. When I get more watercolor over there. And then the star over there. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye, y'all.